Welcome back. Now what we want to look at is the 2391 paper 39. Okay, bear with me for a second while I try to get my camera in view and in frame. Okay, yeah, I think I've got that. Okay. Now 2391 paper 39, inspection and test. Okay, inspection and testing. But as you're only testing one building, we'll just keep it simple: inspection and test. Okay. Now what you've been asked to look at is one second, let me see if I could, wait me for a second, let me see if I could bring this up a little bit more. I think I can, so that we're not overstraining our eyes in any way. Okay, let me just make sure I've got you in view. Okay, let's just bring it back a little bit. Okay, yes, I think that should be about it, I think. Okay, yeah, okay. Now, what you're looking at here is a development company has recently acquired a 3-story corner terraced domestic property, and they have successfully applied to the local planning department to convert the ground floor into a local grocery and newsagents combined off license. Now, the building is approximately 100 years old and shows signs of the original electrical installation being replaced sometimes between 1950 and 1960. Now, what you've been asked here to do is to look at a inspection and carrying out inspection and test to meet a criteria in regards to the insurance company. And you now need to be sure that you know what you're doing and that you have carried out the inspection and test to the planned procedure of the IEE regulations. Okay, and that is what this is about. Now, bear in mind that these papers have been written a while back, so it is important for you to look up any new changes in regards to the IEE regulations that may have changed in regards to the questions you've been asked and the answers given, because the answers may have changed, and that is important that you understand that. Okay, so do not take it on face value. Check, 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 and check again. Okay, now I don't need to do anything here, Cole. I'm just going to run through this, and here the insurance company insists on a complete inspection and test of the entire building's electrical circuits before they will issue an insurance certificate to cover the building. Okay, so this guy's trying to get an insurance. So if you have made a mistake, come forward with that. Okay, but it is important that you bear in mind that you are responsible if it is proven at any point in time that the test you carried out was defective or faulty, or you missed something. Okay, you can be held legally responsible. So it is important that you understand that. So you must have all the paperwork in place to show that you follow procedure and that you've done the assessment in regards to the inspection and test to the required specifications and regulations. Okay, these are for you to work on and for you to actually answer it for yourself. Okay, I don't intend to answer them on you for you in any shape or form. Okay, Now check the table is still concurrent with today's IEE regulations, and that is your responsibility, okay? It's okay, someone just came across my mind, and now again for you to read, and you can see that I've given you the answers here, okay? But have a go at the question first before you look at the answers. Again, and make sure you're looking at the correct colors. The colors may have changed, but the electrical process or technical know-how of looking for your measurement still remains constant, okay? Okay, nothing for me to elaborate on much here. And again, okay. I may need to make you slightly darker, might I not? Let me see if I can do that. Bear with me for a second. I'm going to see if I can, bear with me for a second. See if I can break it up a bit. 1 second, bear with me. Make that black. Okay, yeah. We'll make that maybe pink. Maybe pink. Let's go with try pink. Yes, okay. Yeah, let's try pink. Okay, and we'll leave the bitly at the T as it is here for now. Okay. Oh, okay. Goodness me, I hope you found that useful. Okay. I don't need to do a lot of talking here because it's mainly questions for you to answer, and I have provided you with the answers to the questions. So how you interpret that must now be applicable to yourself, and so you find your own style of learning, okay, at all point in time. And I'm just going to recap this slowly back, okay? Okay. Okay then, thank you. Okay, I hope you found this useful. Have a good day and bye for now. Terence Payne Engineering Tutorials. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.